It's like a Bridal Falls. Oh. Alright, now this one we take a right, I think. We gotta go down to the bottom and then follow a creek. A little slippery up that way. Okay, there's the trail, there's the other fall up there. I think I took the kind of the steeper way. Okay. We had to cross this creek. So when we got down to the base, we followed one creek about 100 yards, then we took a left to this creek, and then we go back on this stuff and follow left again. Here we go. Okay, now you have to get through all that. So just climb him all around, and then you'll end up to this trail. And we're off. Alright, I think we made it. Let's go for a dip.